Hi everyone, welcome back to carXperienc, your one-stop destination for all things cars. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing car reviews, comparisons, and insights. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero. This iconic SUV has made a strong comeback, and we're here to explore if it lives up to the legacy. Let's jump right into it. Now, the Mitsubishi Pajero has been a household name among off-road enthusiasts and SUV lovers. Known for its rugged durability, reliability, and versatility, the Pajero has consistently set benchmarks in the SUV market. The 2025 model has received a significant overhaul, blending cutting-edge technology with classic Pajero ruggedness. Let's start with the design. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero is its bold and commanding stance. Mitsubishi has really upped its game in terms of aesthetics, giving the Pajero a more modern, aggressive, and premium look. Up front, the dynamic shield grille takes center stage, flanked by sharp LED headlights with an intricate DRL design. The sculpted hood adds to the muscular appeal, while the front bumper features large air intakes, giving the SUV a sporty edge. Moving to the side profile, the Pajero retains its boxy yet refined silhouette. The pronounced wheel arches house large 20-inch alloy wheels, which add to its off-road credentials. The chrome accents on the windows and door handles bring a touch of elegance. The roof rails, along with the panoramic sunroof, make it clear that the Pajero is as much about style as it is about adventure. At the rear, the LED taillights feature a sleek, horizontal design that complements the Pajero's overall look. The rear bumper is equipped with a functional skid plate, while the spare tire mounted on the tailgate is a nod to its off-road heritage. Under the hood, the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero is powered by a 3.0-liter V6 engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. This setup delivers an impressive 285 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. Mitsubishi has also equipped the Pajero with an 8-speed automatic transmission that ensures smooth gear shifts. For those who crave off-road adventures, the Super Select 4WD2 system provides exceptional traction and stability on all terrains. Whether you're tackling rocky trails, muddy paths, or snowy roads, the Pajero is ready for the challenge. What's new this year is the inclusion of multiple driving modes, including Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Off-Road. This makes the Pajero versatile enough to handle daily commutes, long road trips, and off-road expeditions with equal ease. And let's not forget the towing capacity. It's rated at a solid 3,500 kilograms, which is perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or caravans. Stepping inside, the 2025 Pajero offers a spacious and luxurious cabin. Mitsubishi has gone all out to ensure that the interior matches the SUV's rugged exterior. The dashboard features a clean and modern layout with soft-touch materials and metallic accents. At the center of the dash is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Amazon Alexa integration. The 12-speaker premium audio system delivers crystal-clear sound, making it perfect for audiophiles. The instrument cluster has been replaced by a fully digital 10.25-inch display that provides all the essential information, including speed, navigation, and driving modes. The multifunctional steering wheel is wrapped in leather and features intuitive controls for audio, cruise control, and more. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather and are both heated and ventilated in the front. The second-row seats recline and slide to provide maximum comfort, while the third-row seats fold flat to expand the cargo space. Speaking of space, the Pajero offers plenty of it. With all seats up, you get 350 liters of boot space. Fold the third row down, and it expands to 1,200 liters, making it ideal for long trips and large families. There are also plenty of storage options throughout the cabin, including cup holders, door pockets, and a spacious glove box. Now let's talk about safety. The 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero is packed with advanced safety features, making it one of the safest SUVs in its segment. It comes with Mitsubishi's Mi Pilot Assist, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. There's also a 360-degree camera system that makes parking and navigating tight spaces a breeze. Other safety features include rear cross traffic alert, hill start assist, and hill descent control. One of the highlights of the 2025 Pajero is its fuel efficiency. Thanks to the mild hybrid system, the SUV delivers an impressive mileage of 10 km/L in the city and 14 km/L on the highway. For an SUV of this size and capability, these figures are quite commendable. Let's not forget the tech-savvy touches that Mitsubishi has added to the Pajero. The vehicle comes with wireless charging, multiple USB-C ports, and over-the-air updates for the infotainment system. There's also a heads-up display that projects essential information onto the windshield, allowing you to keep your eyes on the road. Now, I'm sure you're all wondering about the price. The 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero starts at $55,000 for the base variant, while the fully loaded top-end model can go up to $70,000. Considering the features, performance, and off-road capabilities it offers, the pricing is quite competitive. In conclusion, the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero is a perfect blend of modern technology, rugged capability, and timeless appeal. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a family person, or someone who just loves a commanding SUV, the Pajero ticks all the boxes. It's a vehicle that not only meets expectations but exceeds them in many ways. So, what do you think about the 2025 Mitsubishi Pajero? Is it the ultimate SUV you've been waiting for? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to carXperienc for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, drive safe and stay awesome.